Hi German learner, how are you doing? Wie geht's? What would you do if someone gave you €1,000 month by month by month for a whole year? What would you do with it? How would that influence or change your life? Let us know in the comments, please. Yeah? And the good news is you actually have a chance right now to get such a basic income. It's actually an unconditional basic income because you can live anywhere on this planet, speak any language you like, be of any nationality, any gender, any age. Even a child could win this basic income if you join the lottery that is coming up in a couple of days. It is on the 29th of November as far as I know. You will find the link somewhere around this video. And if you join Team Smarter German, you increase your chances of winning that income. And you also increase my chances, but I hereby declare that should I win, I will donate the money to some good cause, like I did last month with Yemen, and this month I will do with Venezuela, because I want to raise awareness of how much we need each other on this planet, and some of our brothers and sisters actually need more help than possibly we do. So let's support this beautiful idea, and who knows, maybe you are the lucky one and it will have a positive impact on your life. Would be lovely to see that. Share it with us if that happens. Thank you for participating and for making this world a better place. Take good care and enjoy your day.